I'm Tara Lynn Wagner. Bank branches seem to be sprouting up everywhere, which is odd considering that for the most part, we're using them less and less.
2014 was the first year where consumers, for the first time, were interacting more with their bank through mobile channels than any other channel. And if you look at the trends, people are now visiting bank branches on average at most 1 to 2 times a year.
Compared to the 20 or 30 times a month they conduct some sort of banking through their mobile device. That's because at this point, pretty much everything you used to have to wait in line to do at a bank, you can now do online.
You do not need to deposit checks at a bank branch anymore. You do not need to transfer funds by going to a bank branch anymore.
Luvleen Sidhu is the Chief Strategy and Marketing Manager for Bank Mobile, which isn't so much internet-based as it is app-based. Like other banking apps, your phone or tablet essentially becomes the teller's window, using the built-in camera to make both deposits and payments. She says consumers are becoming more and more comfortable with digital banking, and not just the cool kids.
So we definitely believed initially that this would be really the bank for millennials, the tech-savvy generation that's almost tech-dependent. But what we have found, surprisingly, is that about 55% of our customer base today is above 35 years old.
Which isn't to say everyone is ready to ditch the deposit slip and go paperless. One thing that may be keeping them tied to their branch is a concern that internet or mobile-based banking isn't as secure.
Sidhu says not so.
If you have a bank charter, you're FDIC insured. So whether you have a bank branch where you can see that physical location or it's now all on a mobile app, the degree of which you are compensated for any fraudulent activity or any loss of funds is absolutely the same.
The other concern has to do with protecting your account and your identity. That's a worry you can at least partially ease by being smart about where you use your smartphone.
When you're at a Starbucks, when you're using public Wi-Fi, don't do your banking. Do it when you're at home using your safe Wi-Fi.
Tara Lynn Wagner, Time Warner Cable News.